put money in.
Your attention please. The train to Rashidia will depart from Rashidia platform.
Show you how to put the money. Put the mall card here. Touch screen. Card back up. I want to put 10 dirham. Put the money here. And wait. Operation in progress. Please don't remove your card. So once you see it, have a nice day. Get your card. And that's it. I have money inside and I can go now to Dragon Mart.
In Metro, this is also a fully functional, full turnkey project having 29 stations, inclusive of 4 underground stations, 24 elevated stations, and 1 upgrade station. It also has 2 depots and 2 park and ride facilities. Red Line Metro takes approximately 67 minutes to cover the distance between one end and the other. Green Line Metro, a fully functional full turnkey project, includes 8 underground stations, 12 elevated stations, and 1 depot. The Green Line Metro covers 8 kilometers under the ground, 15 kilometers on the ground, and runs between Etisalat Station to Dubai Healthcare City. The Green Line Metro takes approximately 36 minutes to reach the last station on its route. Gold class carriages are for those that wish to travel first class. Every Dubai Metro train has 1 gold class carriage. They have bigger and more comfortable seats with more legroom. Gold class carriages are typically less crowded than the standard class carriages. Carriages are set also aside for women and children, and Dubai Metro trains will be relocated to provide further separation from male passengers. Pink cabins will move to the end of each train at the opposite end from gold class. Here are some things to remember. You will get the train at the interval of 10 minutes, and during the peak times, you don't have to wait much as you will get trains at 3 minutes of interval. Remember that you should be careful while boarding and deboarding the train, as the door will remain open from 18 to 20 seconds. If you are using Knoll card, if you have planned to use Dubai Metro, you should not forget that you need to buy a Knoll card. As cash is not accepted in Dubai Metro, with your Knoll card, you can travel hassle-free, not only in Dubai Metro but also in water buses. Keep your card with you while traveling through Metro. Do not misuse the safety facilities present in the train or in the metro station, otherwise you have to give penalty. For hygiene purposes, Dubai Metro doesn't allow any pets inside the train as well as in the station.
Shopping in Dubai doesn't need to be so expensive for as long as you know where to go. If you love shopping, the best place to visit is Dragon Mart. It offers a wide selection of clothes, furniture, dress, something for gifts, and everything. Like what we are doing, we are buying something for our children. And we love it that we bought a lot for Sarah, for Simon, for Trisha, and Patrick, and to my mom.
Whether you are a UAE resident or visiting on holiday, a trip to Dragon Mart is a must. Located on the Dubai Hatta Road, close to Dubai International Airport, the destination is easily recognizable with its stunning facade, a majestic dragon perched on giant golden owl. welcoming visitors to a delightful and diverse shopping experience. As the world's largest Chinese trading hub outside mainland China, Dragon Mart is a shopping paradise showcasing a huge range of Chinese goods, appliances, furniture, electronics, household goods, building materials, garden items, toys, machinery, clothes, shoes, and more, for all tastes and pockets. Welcoming 40 million people a year, Dragon Mart consists of Dragon Mart 1 and its sister mall Dragon Mart 2, which together feature more than 5,000 shops and 9,000 parking spaces. There's even a hotel directly connected to Dragon Mart 2 if you want to stay at night. There are some tips for unforgettable and rebel shopping experience at Dragon Mart. Wear comfortable footwear. Dragon Mart is massive, stretching 1.2 km across. Dragon Mart 1 has more than 4,000 shops. So save your feet and wear comfort walking shoes when you visit. Bargain Hunter's Delight. Products at Dragon Mart are priced to cater to all budgets, but don't let that stop you from bargaining. Ask the friendly shopkeepers for an added discount for an even better deal. One of the great attractions of the mall is Dragon Drive. Dragon Drive is a tree-lined boulevard featuring a spectacular view of water features and a number of al-fresco restaurants. Cafes and attractions show that Dragon Mart 2 is an amazing place to shop, dine, or enjoy whatever you want with family and friends.
It took us 2 or 3 hours to manage to go all over the shops. Actually, it is 1.2 kilometer giant supermarket. And we love it that this is so cheap. We're not able to pay a lot of money for this gifts.
And lastly, don't forget to go as early as possible as the mart opens at 3 p.m. So it is advised to arrive there early as you can visit and shop comfortably. Especially on weekends, it is a very crowded place.